Welcome to SBW Group. We are here in Hayes to announce the successful completion of Northern House.
All frames are finished in RAL 7034 texture using Interpon D2525 coating by AkzoNobel. This premium textured finish not only enhances the aesthetic but also delivers long-term durability. Tested in extreme environments like Florida, backed by a 25-year warranty and certified to international standards, the coating ensures excellent resistance to fading, weathering and corrosion. We use Saint-Gobain solar control glass with warm edge spacers, fully laminated on all ground floor and critical areas for enhanced safety, installation and performance.
Here we have supplied and fitted 3 commercial doors in M11000, 94 tilt and turn balcony doors, 132 tilt and turn windows in M9660, 9 fire-rated openable windows, 60 minutes, and 158 steel forged balcony railings, large entrance doors with full bar handle at 45 degrees, with 3D hinges, with solar laminated safety glazing, with door closer and maglock. Here are our tilt and turn windows. 2 panes, 1 fixed, 1 openable, with 2 trickle vents for background ventilation. Our Secuforte Toulon lockable handle. It offers 3 ways of opening. It tilts for daily use, offers a micro ventilation, and it also opens sideways, and you can safely clean the window, the mobile panes and also the fixed one. Tilt and turn balcony doors. It tilts for daily use. It offers a micro ventilation and also open fully for cleaning. Those windows and doors have up to 16 locking points for safety and performance. Mild steel Juliet balconies, galvanized and powder coated in 7034 textured. If you have a similar project and you need windows, get in touch. SBW for best prices and best quality.